What's up, people? What is going on? If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I have a couple businesses and I go over daily vlogs until I hit $30,000 a month in business and showing my ups and downs in them. So today's gonna be a quick one. We're gonna do customer orders and then we'll be done. It's just Tuesday, so yesterday was my busy day. Today's a chill day, so we're gonna get that done. But enjoy the video. And at the very end of this video, if you do not know, I will go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money that we made. All right, guys, got the orders out. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money that we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $31.39, so a little less than yesterday. We made $339.68, which is not bad, but we could do better. But a total revenue of $371 was made yesterday, so now a total of $12,230, which I think we're almost at the same amount of money we made last month. So hopefully we can surpass at least last month's income. So I'm praying for 15K by the end of the month, but I can't control that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're like, Nick, this is a short video and this is your first time on this channel, please go back a few videos. You can see kind of there's longer videos, but it was such a short day. I didn't want to bore you with more stuff. Like the other stuff's going to be back end work. So if you guys enjoyed this video at all, just give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It would help me out a lot and also other people like you that want to find videos like this. And then also, if you truly love watching this video, please consider subscribing down below. It also helps grow the channel and growing a very strong community. So I appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. I will see you all tomorrow.